Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you! Hello everyone! Nandito po tayo ngayon to discuss all about chemistry. Ngayon po, may tanong ako. But when it comes sa love, ba't ginagamit yung term na chemistry? Let's say for instance, yung babae at lalaki na nagsasama, masasabing, oh, may chemistry silang dalawa, ganun. Ang lakas ng chemistry nila, yung ganun. Ba't chemistry yung ginagamit? Ba't yung word, ba't yung term na chemistry yung ginagamit? So, nagtatanong po ako sa mga random people, sa mga kaibigan ko. Nagtatanong ako, ba't term na chemistry yung ginagamit nyo? Pag sila, sasabihin nilang, oh, chemistry kasi may sparks. Oh, kasi iba yung impact nila sa amin. Yun, yung term na yun. So, nagtatanong din ako sa mga kaibigan ko, ba't chemistry yung term na ginagamit nyo sa dalawang tao na kumaga may impact or may love na nag-exist sa kanilang dalawa, but chemistry yung term? Ba't may chemistry sila? Ba't ang lakas ng chemistry nila? Ganon. Ang sagot naman nila, hindi ko alam. Yun ang ginagamit nila, so gagamitin ko rin. Yung mga ganun, yung term na yun. So, yun ang advice. Aral muna, bago landi. Joke lang! So yun nga, what is chemistry? So, chemistry is a branch of science that deals with the properties, composition, and structure of matter, the changes it undergoes, and the laws and principles that govern these changes. So that is chemistry. So chemistry, i-align natin sa love, yung discuss natin kanina when it comes to dalawang tao. So, properties o katangian nila mismo. Yun. Then, composition, kung ano ang meron sila na gano'n. And structure. Kasi structure of matter yun eh. So, structure. Yung anong structure ng kanilang pagsasama or ano yung, when it comes sa structure kasi, connection between each other. So, ano yung connection na nasa kanilang dalawa at ano yung connection din nila sa ibang tao. Kaya magkakaroon talaga ng sabihin natin reaction. Pero talagang tao na makikita nila, oh, may chemistry silang dalawa. So yun, kumbaga yung sabing, oh, may spark sa kanila, or may impact sila sa amin. So, that reaction considered chemistry. So, di ba? Chemistry, for short term, is study of matter. So, love, mag-matter ba ang love? Love is a matter? Don't know. O siya, tama na sa love. Study first muna. So, yun po. Itong vlog all about chemistry because sa mga estudyanteng nahihirapan talaga sa subject na ito. So, why? Bakit sila nahihirapan? Kasi sa mindset nila, pag it comes sa chemistry, boring, ano ba yan? Ang hirap? Ang ganun. So, actually, chemistry is interesting and challenging at the same time. So, here, I'm gonna help you na paano matututo in a fun way. So, tune in. So, again, what is chemistry? Chemistry is a branch of science that deals with the properties, composition, and structure of matter. So, matter. So, what are those states of matter? So, states of matter. Solid, the particles are closely packed together and organized. So, organized siya. And then has a definite shape and has a volume. While the liquid, the particles are close together but disorganized. So, ito, magka-close sila pero hindi sila organized. While the gas, their particles are far apart and disorganized. So, these are the common states of matter. But actually, may nadagdag na dalawa. That is, number 4, yung plasma. And yung 5th, is yung Bose-Einstein Condensate. So yun nga, ito yung dalawang dadagdag sa states of matter. So yung solid has definite shape and volume. Let's say ito, example of solid. So may definite shape siya, may definite volume. Yung liquid naman has a varying shape that conforms to the shape of the container. So, eto, this is liquid. Up to the extent of the liquid's volume. So, ayan. So, liquid has a upper surface. While yung gas has a varying shape that conforms to the shape of the container. Yung plasma naman is like gases that has no shape or volume. So, unlike ordinary gases, yung plasma kasi, so plasma are made up of atoms in which some or all of the electrons has been stripped away, leaving a positively charged nuclei which is roaming freely. So plasma is a charged gas with strong electrostatic interactions. So para mas maintindihan, example nito yung sun and stars. So here's a screenshot of the time-lapse video showing two bands of plasma shooting away from the sun. So image source from NASA. So the fifth one is the Bose-Einstein Condensate. So Bose-Einstein Condensate is a group of atoms cooled to within an absolute zero. At that absolute zero, mahirapan yung mga atoms na mag-move because there's no energy to do so. So at that point, the atoms begin to clump together and enter the same energy states, but it doesn't form a lattice structure like solid, such as photons. Image from John Clares from University of Bonn. So an illustration of a superphoton created when physicists turn photons of light into a state of matter called the Bose-Einstein Condensate. Kung nakikita nyo parang circular in shape dyan, yun yung Bose-Einstein Condensate. So tapos na po tayo sa states of matter, then let's proceed to properties of matter and its changes. So properties is the characteristic that give each substance a unique identity. To identify a substance, we observe two types of properties, the physical properties and the chemical properties. So physical properties is the characteristic of a substance shows by itself without changing into something or interacting with another substance. While chemical properties is a characteristic of a substance shows as it changed into or interacting with another substance. Yun. So in yung physical properties, yun yung characteristic ng substance na hindi mag-form into another substance or mag-change into another. So yung properties na yun, such as melting point, electrical conductivity, and density, yun yung mga hindi mag-change into something. Well, the chemical properties are the characteristics of a substances na mag-undergo ng changes. I mean, mag-change into something or mag-interact with another substance. For instance, yung property or chemical property is yung flammability or able to produce flame, corrosiveness, and reactivity with acids, meaning there's a interaction between substances. So yun po, after we learn the properties of matter, we go into the changes of matter. There are two types of changes, the physical change and the chemical change. Physical change occur when a substance alter its physical properties but not its composition. Example. So example, yung tubig. Yung tubig or water, pwede siyang magiging solid such as ice. Pwede siyang maging steam. At saka pwede siyang mag-turn into liquid form. So, kahit na mag-change yung physical properties niya, tubig pa rin siya. So, naging steam siya, pero tubig pa rin siya. Yung composition niya is tubig. Yung pagiging solid niya, pagiging ice niya, example, yung tubig, di ba? In solid state, magiging ice siya. Tapos in gas phase or gaseous state, yung steam, at saka yung magiging siyang liquid, di ba? So, nag-change lang yung physical properties niya, nag-change na yung physical appearance niya, but not its composition. So, ganun dahil tubig pa rin siya. Paano, di ba? So, other physical change, let's proceed to chemical change. Chemical change occurs when a substance is converted into another substance. So yun po, yung physical properties, let's say kanina, yung water. Kapag yung water, let's say, na-turn siya into ice, mababalik siya in a liquid form by just simple, ano lang siya, i-melt mo lang yung ice, babalik na siya sa in liquid form. Yung steam naman, at saka yung steam or vapor ng pwede mo siyang i-collect, babalik siya sa dating state, which is a liquid state or liquid. Tubig talaga siya. Babalik siya sa tubig. It's a physical change. So, nag-alter lang yung physical appearance niya, physical properties niya, but not its composition. But unlike chemical change, mahihirapan kang ibalik siya sa dati niyang itsura o dati niyang structure or dati niyang composition. Let's say, for instance, itong piece of paper. Diba? Kapag susunugin natin yung papel, hindi na siya babalik sa dati niyang itsura. So, yung paper, na-turn siya into ashes. So, hindi mo na siya mababalik into paper. So, that's, nag-undergo siya ng chemical change. So, magdi-distinguish ulit tayo between chemical change and physical change. So, here, nag-prepare po ako ng mga scenario. So, mga scenario na i-distinguish natin kung it is a physical change or a chemical change. So, first, itong frost forms as the temperature drops on humid air. So, is that physical change or chemical change? So, it is physical change. Why? Because as the temperature drops, the gaseous water or yung vapor iso-solidify. Magiging solidify siya, will turning into solid water, or which is magpo-form siya ng frost. So meaning, yung gaseous vapor, which is same pa rin, tubig or vapor, form pa rin siya, ginawa niya ng solid. So, there's a change in physical properties but not its composition. So, yun, frost forms as the temperature drops in humid air. So, that's a physical change. So, number 2, a corn stalk grows from a seed that is watered and fertilized. Siyempre, that's a chemical change. Chemical change, why? Because seed growing requires water, substances from the air, soil, fertilizer, and even the mixtures of air. So, yun ang kailangan niya para mag-change yung composition niya from a seed to a cornstalk. Yeah. So, that's a chemical change. Number 3, a match ignites to form ash and mixtures of gases. So, same kanina, yung pag-burn ng paper. Pag ganun yung match, hindi mo na siya mababalik sa match. Na-change na yung composition. Example, yung match head, yung head ng match, na turn into combustible materials and turn into ashes and mixtures of gases. So, there's a change. Chemical change. Number 4. Perspiration evaporates when you relax after jogging. Yung pawis, nagre-relax ka after jogging mo. So, yung pawis mo nag-evaporate. So, what type of change is that? Is it physical change or chemical change? So, that is physical change. Physical change because yung pawis, which is liquid or water, mag-evaporate lang siya into vapor or gano'n. So, water pa rin nag-evaporate. So, nag-change lang yung, again, nag-change lang yung composition, nag-change lang yung properties niya, physical properties but not its composition. Still, water pa rin siya, ganun pa rin yung component niya. One, a silver fork tarnishes slowly in air. So, that's a chemical change. Because yung silver, nagpo-form siya into silver sulfide because of the presence of sulfur or yung air nagko-contain ng sulfur. So, nagre-react yung silver doon. So, nag-form siya ng silver sulfide. Kaya nagtatarnish yung silver form. So, ito, i-distinguish nyo if it is chemical change or physical change. Itong baking soda, ko. And i-add ko yung vinegar. So what type of reaction is that? Or what type of change is that? So that's a chemical change. Because yung baking soda, hindi mo na siya mababalik into its powder form because nag-change na siya into another substance or another compound, which is the sodium acetate and water. So ayun, introduction pa lang yon ng chemistry. So there's so much more interesting and challenging part ng chemistry. So, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.